Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay the mobile bill with Klarna. Very easy and simple. First you can go to login or sign up or use the Klarna app. Okay, and right here you are going to create a one-time card. So click here, create one-time card, and you'll see here agree. And then you can go ahead and get your cardholder name, card number, expiration date, CVV code, and you can use this to pay. Okay, so you just paste the one-time card information into T-Mobile's checkout. Once you copy them over, as if it is a new Visa card. Okay, just treat it as a Visa card, and then just go ahead and place your order, and you can enjoy your purchase very easily and manage your payments based on your chosen payment plans. As you can see right here, you can do 2 months, 6 months, whatever plan you want. But otherwise, it is really that easy. So make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions.